Are you ready to renovate your house? Maybe you've decided to pull the trigger on that new bathroom, or perhaps you're thinking about finishing your basement or redoing your kitchen. One of the first things you'll need to do before you start is to get permits. Or do you? Perhaps you've had a builder, remodeler, or even a handyman walk through your house and give you an estimate. Perhaps he or she has said that the work could be done a little bit quicker and a little bit cheaper by not pulling any permits. Or maybe you even plan to do this work yourself and think nobody would even know that you did it without permits. After all, it's your own house. How bad can it be if you get caught anyway? Ultimately, the choice is yours to get permits. In this video, I will go over why obtaining the proper permits is beneficial in the long run. If you decide to do unpermitted work, be aware of the following potential consequences. Before I get into it, in Winnipeg, here is a great illustration showcasing what you will actually need a permit on working on. Right here. Beginning with consequence number 1, safety is the primary reason the permitting process exists. Yet, it is sometimes difficult to see how doing a small remodel project could really compromise your safety. After all, you're not building a large multi-family building, you're just updating your kitchen or your bathroom. However, the cumulative effects of unpermitted work do or can add up over the years and can pose a very real safety risk to your family. This is especially true when it comes to electrical work. You really do not want an unqualified person messing with the wiring behind your house and never having that work inspected. Consequence number 2, resale value. If you ever decided you wanted to sell your home, you're going to wish you had pulled those permits. Even if you get away with not getting a permit for when you initially do the work, you never truly get away with it. Sooner or later, you're going to hit a metaphorical brick wall for that literal brick wall that you built without permit. Let's say, for an example, you want to sell your house. Most buyers will be wary of buying a house if there are massive renovations done without a permit, which could affect your overall resale value in the future. Consequence number 3, insurance. Your insurance company might refuse to pay for any damages caused by unpermitted remodeling work. Imagine if your new unpermitted bathroom floods your entire house, causing damages up to thousands of dollars, or if a faulty stove in the kitchen starts a fire. Likewise, if you build a new addition without a permit and a visitor slips and falls in that room, your homeowner's policy may not cover your liability. Consequence number 4, city penalties. Let's say you do not need to sell your house if ever. You don't need a loan, and you're lucky enough to have a solid structure even if the company you hired was willing to cut corners. That is extremely lucky. Luck, however, tends to run out though, where your luck streak might be over when the city finds out. Perhaps your city's assessor will notice an extra bump or addition when doing your annual property tax assessment, or that grumpy neighbor of yours will have caught wind of your shady remodeling work and might actually call the city to report you. And the city can and they will fine you for it, and it's not a cheap fine either. And there was my video on the consequences of doing work without permit. I hope this video has helped answer any questions and uncertainty around the issue of permits. If you have any more questions, my award-winning expert real estate team is always here to help you guys. And like always, take care, and I'll see you guys next time.